Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to exit the tablet mode on your ACER Chromebook 713. Under the normal circumstances, your laptop should turn off the tablet mode automatically once you adjust the hinge of your device so that it is opened like a normal laptop. But sometimes Chrome OS is stubborn and it won't let your laptop simply exit the tablet mode, and there are several ways that we can fix that. The first one is opening the control center in the bottom right corner of your screen. Go into settings by tapping this gear icon right here. Then you're gonna have to open the device tab on the sidebar and go to display. In display, change the orientation from auto rotation to 0. And for some users, this will fix the issue. For others, it won't. So the following step is going to the web browser and searching for Chrome, then colon, then double dash, restart. And after the restart, your device should be back in the normal mode. But if it doesn't help you either, then you can go back to the web browser and we can enable some additional features. To do that, we're gonna have to search for Chrome, then colon, double dash, then flags. Open flags, and here we'll be able to find the flag that we're looking for, which is called debug shortcuts. So we can either scroll down this page, or we can just open search flags and search for shortcuts. Okay, and so here we have it, debugging keyboard shortcuts. Enable this feature like this, and then click restart to restart your laptop. Okay, and now we'll be able to enter and exit this tablet mode by pressing Shift, Search, and T buttons. If you got stuck in the tablet mode, try pressing Shift, Search, and T, and this should help. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.